fast, Jay. Yes, I will be there.
Alright, welcome back, cool kids, and today we're going to be talking about fake tattoos for your films. And the clip you just saw is from our action series Battle for the Crown, which is out now. Okay, so let's say you want some fake tattoos for your film because one of the characters is tattooed. You know, for instance, let's say you want a character who's a Russian gangster, so you want some, prison tats on them, or you have a cigarette smoking tattooed monster hunter and you want some cool tattoos that look good on camera. Well, the best place I found for temporary tattoos is this website, Tattooed Now. The reason I love these tattoos is because you can just apply them like any kind of temporary tattoo that you used to get as a kid. You know, when you used to want to scare your parents and say, hey mom, look, I got a tattoo. So these tattoos are really nice because they have no shine to them. And on camera, they look worn. It looks like this character has had these for years. These are the best ones I found. I mean, obviously, if you have the budget to get, someone to come in and actually do the tattoos and blah, 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 then great. So if you're interested, go to the website, look up some of these tattoos. They're really sick. Now, obviously, they're limited, but something that I suggest, and this is kind of what I did, is when I was thinking, oh, this character needs to be tattooed, I went and saw what tattoos they had so that I could either write it into the script or I wanted to make sure that I could pull that character off first, because then I knew, oh, they have these tattoos. Okay, let me keep writing this character. But you might be able to go and see a tattoo and get inspired by that tattoo and create a character around that tattoo. That's another thing that could be really cool or useful for you to do. So that's why I love this website. Go check it out. I think that it would be a lot of fun for you and me. Maybe? I don't know. Check it out.